A very warm welcome to all the students of class 2nd to today's St.Joseph Academy's online class. In this session of online class, we are going to study grammar. And the topic of our today's online class is revision of chapter number 3, the types of sentence. But before that, we will learn about sentence. Later on, we will discuss about the types of sentence. By the end of this online session, we'll be doing one exercise or review worksheet for this revision. Let us revise once again about the sentence. Ram is a boy. My name is Geeta. She is my friend. I love India. They are boys. Do it at once. Come here. The dog is barking. All these are different types of sentence. Definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence is the basic unit of language which expresses a complete thought. So children, a sentence has the arrangement of words in proper order so as to complete the sense. That is why it is said that it expresses a complete thought. A sentence is complete when it expresses the complete thought. Also, it must make sense. So I repeat children, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. There are few things that you must remember while writing a sentence. First one is, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. The beginning letter of the sentence is always capital letter. For example, it can be capital A, V, B or N. Second important point is, always a sentence ends with a punctuation mark. So children, we must end a sentence with a punctuation mark. It can be a full stop, an exclamation mark, a question mark. It depends upon the type of sentence. You have to use the correct punctuation mark according to your sentence. Next thing to remember is, words must be in proper order to make complete sense. So this is also an important point to remember. In a sentence, words must be arranged in proper order. Sentence always makes complete sense. If the arrangement of words does not make any sense, it cannot be called a sentence. Let us repeat one more time. First thing to remember is, always begin a sentence with a capital letter. Next one, always end a sentence with the punctuation marks. For example, full stop, exclamation mark, question mark, etc. Third one, word must be arranged in proper order so that it makes a complete sense. Broadly, children, there are 4 types of sentence. First one, assertive sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. We will discuss these sentences in detail further. Assertive sentence. An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. So children, assertive sentence expresses a fact. A statement always ends with a full stop. For example, I am learning French. There is no tea in the flask. In both the sentences, the fact is expressed. That is why they are assertive sentence. And look at the examples, children. They are end with a full stop. Next type of sentence is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question about something or someone. This is very easy, children. When any question is asked, that sentence is interrogative sentence. It can be about something or someone. A statement always ends with a question mark. By the end of interrogative sentence, we have to use the question mark. Here are a few examples. What is your name? Question mark. Where do you live? Question mark. How are you? Question mark. So children, I repeat once again. An interrogative sentence asks a question about something or someone, and an interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Next comes imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. In many sentences, we ask or request for something or we order for something. Then those sentences are called imperative sentences. An order or request always ends with a full stop. Like assertive sentences, imperative sentence also ends with a full stop. Let's have a look at these examples. Open the door. In this sentence, we are giving the order. Next one, do your homework. It is also an order or a request. Bring a pen. This is also an order. So in these sentence, children, we use full stop. I repeat once again. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. An order or request always ends with a full stop. Next is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. So children, when we express any type of emotions, then we use exclamatory mark for it. These are called exclamatory sentences. A strong feeling always ends with an exclamation mark. It can be sad, happy, surprised, or any excitement. Here are two examples, children. Let us read these examples. Hooray! We won the match. What a tall man. So in these both examples, feelings are expressed where we have used exclamatory mark to express these feelings. So children, I repeat once again. Exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. A strong feeling always ends with the exclamation mark. I hope you have revised your chapter properly now. Let us move on to the revision test paper. You have to do this revision test paper in your copy. Revision test paper 2. First question is, write the type of sentences. In question number 1, you are supposed to tell the type of sentence. First one is, what does your father do? Second one, I am learning French. Third one, these children are plucking flowers. Fourth one, they have finished the task. Fifth one, how tall the building is. So children, you have to write down the type of sentence in each of these lines. Second one is, put the correct punctuation mark. In the second question, children, you have to see what type of sentence is this and then use the correct punctuation mark according to the type of sentence. First one is, please come here. Second one, what a tall man. Third one, how naughty the boys are. Fourth one, this road leads to Agra. Fifth one, it is a sunny day. You have to read these sentences carefully and decide the type of sentences these are. Later, put the correct punctuation mark in these sentences. So children, you have to do this revision test paper 2 in your copies. Children, prepare for the test well. We have discussed about the sentence and the type of sentence in today's class. Do revise it properly and learn for the test. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you everyone for listening to today's online class. Myself, Swati Malik, has presented this video. Thank you kids for being with me. That's all for today's class. Thank you everyone. Take care. Goodbye.